Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a simple yet transformative habit, walking 10,000 steps daily. Stick around to learn why this practice is a game changer. We'll dive into the science, bust myths, and give you tips to easily add more steps to your routine. Let's get right to it. Why is everyone so obsessed with 10,000 steps? This number has historical roots. It started in 1960s Japan with a pedometer called Manpo-K, meaning 10,000 steps meter. While not a magic bullet, 10,000 steps push us to be more active today. Let's talk about your heart. Walking is like giving it a tune-up. It's a fantastic cardio exercise. It gets your heart pumping and improves blood circulation. Reduced risk of heart disease, stroke, and other conditions. Plus, it helps lower bad cholesterol and regulate blood pressure. If you're looking to shed pounds or maintain a healthy weight, listen up. Walking boosts your metabolism and burns calories. 10,000 steps can burn 300 to 500 calories, depending on your weight and speed. The best part? It's low impact, easier on your joints than high-intensity workouts. Don't underestimate the power of walking. It's a fantastic way to strengthen muscles and joints. Every step engages muscles in your legs, core, and upper body if you're powering through with good arm swings. This reduces injury risk and keeps you moving with ease. Did you know walking can help regulate blood sugar levels? When you walk, your muscles use glucose for energy. This helps your body use insulin more effectively. Regular walking can reduce your risk of type 2 diabetes and improve metabolic health. Feeling stressed or anxious? Lace up those sneakers and head out for a walk. Walking in nature has incredible mood-boosting benefits. It's like a natural stress reliever. Walking lowers cortisol and releases endorphins. So next time you're overwhelmed, take a break and walk. Remember those endorphins we just talked about? They're natural mood boosters. Walking triggers their release, leading to happiness and relaxation. It's like hitting the reset button on your mood. Ever feel mentally stuck? Walking can help with that. It enhances creativity and boosts cognitive function. Walking increases oxygen and blood flow to your brain, clearing your mind and sparking new ideas. It also improves your focus. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Walking can help with that. Regular walking can improve your sleep quality. It regulates your circadian rhythm, your body's sleep-wake cycle. A consistent walking routine helps you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. How do I even track 10,000 steps? It's easier than you think. Use a step counter. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, or your phone's built-in pedometer. Track your progress. Don't feel overwhelmed by walking 10,000 steps all at once. Consistency is key. Break it up throughout the day. Try 3 brisk 15-minute walks, morning, lunch break, and evening. Walking 10,000 steps a day is about making small, sustainable changes. Look for opportunities to add more steps throughout your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator. Park farther from your destination. Walk while talking on the phone. These small changes make a big difference over time. Everything is more fun with a friend. Walking is no exception. Grab a friend, family member, or coworker and make walking social. Let's address some common myths about walking 10,000 steps. Do I really need to hit 10,000 steps every day? Any movement is better than none. Don't beat yourself up if you fall short. Listen to your body and increase activity over time. So there you have it. Walking 10,000 steps a day is more than just a fitness trend. It's a gateway to a healthier, happier you. We explored the history, debunked myths, and gave you practical tips. Remember, every step counts. It doesn't matter if you hit 10,000 steps on day 1 or week 1. What's important is that you start incorporating more movement into your life. Your body will thank you. Let me know in the comments below, and let's motivate each other on this journey to a healthier lifestyle. Like and subscribe the channel for more health and wellness tips.